Just wanted to say something for the record. If you did something to offend me to the point where I'm not networking with you anymore, I'm not responding to you, I'm not talking to you, I'm not answering your phone calls, I'm not messing with you, actions speak louder than words. I don't have nothing to prove. I'm not even going to explain to you why I'm not messing with you anymore. I'm just not messing with you no more. Point blank, period. That's how I feel about it. You know what I mean? So you can take it how you want to take it, but I don't have to explain myself. But I will say this: I'm 100 to those who 100 with me. I'm willing to die for those who willing to die for me. Like literally, I'm that type of guy. But once I see you fake, once I see you ain't real, once I see you're selfish, once I see it's all about you, and I know I'm all about everybody, I'm not fucking with you. I don't care what you do. I don't care. That's your life. Keep on doing what you're doing. I'm not watching you. I'm not following you. I'm not liking shit. I'm not doing none of that. I'm gonna keep on doing what we doing, grinding, taking care of our people. You're selfish, man. I don't fuck with selfish folks.